Or just a quick heads up, I had some problems with some of my videos. No sound, but lots of picture. And so I found out that it was because I had actually installed both the Facebook app that was for Facebook, and I had also the Facebook mentions installed. And I think the combination of those two things plus my Facebook app caused an error that actually made it so that it didn't for some reason catch the sound from my camera in my phone. Now I don't know whether this is just an iPhone issue or whether it's an all over app issue for everyone, but I suggest you actually check. What I did yesterday is I uninstalled Facebook on my phone, and I uninstalled the Facebook fan page app, and I uninstalled the Facebook mentions app, and then I reinstalled the Facebook app, which actually got me the very most current version of Facebook app, and also corrected the situation with the sound in my videos. So I hope that helps you. Just a quick little tidbit I found out the hard way. I had several videos that didn't come across with sound, and I wanted to make sure that doesn't happen to you. So if you do happen to have all three of those apps, I suggest you do the same thing. It only takes a few minutes. Uninstall them from your phone, and then go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and get the most current version of Facebook app from there. And of course you have to put in your login all over again, but that just takes a minute or two. And then once you've done that, you have the most current version of Facebook, and you also have sound in your videos. And also, because they have rolled out Facebook mentions actually as Facebook Live now, that's what you want to have. So that will make it so that your videos are clear and you get good sound in your videos. I hope that helps you. Go to my blog at successwithlindacromar.com. I'll be updating that every day. And also get on my newsletter at marketingnewswithlinda.com. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye for now.